Hello and a very warm welcome, each one of you. And today we are getting into another stanza of the book, The Courage to be Disliked. And it is a very deep book. And today we are still on the first night, and now we are going to talk about Socrates and Adler. Let me very quickly start sharing the screen with you so that we can read it together, right? All right. Socrates and Adler. Youth. All right. Let me tell you about another friend of mine, a man named Y. He is a kind of person who has always had a bright personality and talks easily to anyone. He's like a sunflower. Everyone loves him and people smile whenever he's around. In contrast, I am someone who has never had an easy time socially and who is kind of wrapped in various ways. Now, you are claiming that people can change through Adler's teleology, philosopher. Yes, you, I, and everyone can change. You. Then, do you think I could become someone like Y? From the bottom of my heart, I really wish I could be like him. Philosopher says, at this point, I have to say that's totally out of the question. Youth. Aha! Now you're showing your true colors. So are you going to retract your theory? Philosopher. No, I'm not. Unfortunately, you have almost no understanding of Adrian psychology yet. The first step to change is knowing. Youth. So if I can understand just something about Adrian psychology, can I become a person like Y? Philosopher. Why are you rushing for answers? You should arrive at an answer on your own and not rely upon what you get from someone else. Answers from others are nothing more than a stop-gap measure. They are of no value. Take Socrates, who left not one book actually written by him. He spent his days having public debates with the citizens of Athens, especially the young, and it was his disciple Plato who put his philosophy into writing for future generations. Adler, too, showed little interest in literary activities, preferring to engage in personal dialogue at cafes in Vienna and hold small discussion groups. He was definitely not an armchair intellectual. Hi, Komal. Thank you for joining in. Oops. You. So, Socrates and Adler both conveyed their idea by dialogue. Just a moment. Here is where we are by dialogue. Philosopher, that's right.
Okay.
All your doubts will be dispelled through this dialogue, and you will begin to change. Not by my words, but by your own doing. I do not want to take away your valuable process of arriving at answer through a dialogue. Oh, I can't see you. Anyway, let me complete this. Um, Philosopher, that's right. All your doubts will be dispelled through this dialogue. Youth says, so are we going to try and reenact the kind of dialogue that Socrates and Adler carried out? Is this little study? Philosopher, isn't that good enough for you? Youth, that's what I'm hoping to find out. So let's take it as far as we can until either you retract your theory or I go before you. So here, he's talking about the youth is talking about one of his friends whose name is Mr. Y, who is like a sunflower. He's a bright person around whom everybody, loves him and whosoever comes near him smiles and they're happy around him. And now the youth says that I also want to be like him. And is it possible that I can also become like that, like him? So the philosopher says that yes, you can. तो उसने बोला कि ठीक है, tell me how can I become that person? तो उसने इसकी why do you want to arrive at an answer ऐसे ही इतनी जल्दी से? We have a dialogue, we will understand, we know each other, and धीरे धीरे you will see a transformation happening in yourself अपने आप. You don't need, whatever I'm going to say is not going to come true ऐसे ही. And that's what we know now, right? कि इतनी सारी जिंदगी मतलब 2 साल 2.5 साल से हम सब अपनी अपनी जर्नी पे चले हुए हैं, and there is a small small shift happening every single day in our lives, and we are transforming into something better, and that is how things happen. Now the next thing that we are talking about is, are you okay just as you are? What do you think? Are you okay just the way you are, or you want to shift, transform, something more should happen in your life?
Deep insight. My perspective or a current moment I can say is I know that I'm not sure about every human being, but for me, every single day I'm doing everything to better myself every time. I want to say this from years, not like when in some journey, like I don't remember from when, but one day when I was fed up of this, you know, like because this can become your obsession,
Mhm.
right? I mean, when like everything you just want good, good,
Mm,
nothing bad. So discarding all the bad, that becomes a tough job. Maybe
mm,
I was doing, I'm not, how can I say about each and everyone, right? So that thing I noticed, even to watch TV, even to watch or take in the stuff, we all do, but yeah, for me I don't remember if I was not what emotions I had, but it was like you have been doing this thing working in that sense कि
mm,
और अच्छा इसका मतलब यही क्वेश्चन जो अभी आया है
mm,
the same question which says do you acknowledge and accept yourself as it is मुझे भी same thing had happened to me that
wow.
you are always trying to better. Does
Mm,
it mean rejecting your current one?
mm,
Same view without book. Even I had a question
wow.
that you should first accept yourself the way you are, because maybe you're not liking it, or that's why you keep on bettering, but we have to keep on growing. I understand, but this is good what we just heard. First, both the things have to happen
Hmm.
together.
Yes.
That is
Because
the thing.
I think that that shift does not even happen unless and until you have acknowledged and you have accepted the way you are. That is the first
Yeah.
phase. First, acknowledge and
Well,
accept whatsoever is there. Then only a shift can actually happen.
yes,
Hello,
you can
Anshika.
come.
Thank you for joining in. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here.
Very
All right.
important thing we are discussing, and she can also know about it.
Yes. So
Yeah, I was listening to you guys. Yeah, continue.
Okay.
today we just have read 2 pages that talks about Socrates and Adler, जिसके अंदर now the youth is saying कि मेरे life में I have a friend of mine whose name is Mr. Y, and he's such a bright person, and he talks to anyone and everyone so easily. Whosoever is around him is also happy, and everybody loves him. People smile whenever he's around, and now he says to the philosopher ki, I also want to become like him. And philosopher is like talking to him, and he's like, the problem with you is that you cannot become like him. And then the youth is, again telling ki, Are ye to, matlab, you're showing your true colors that I cannot become like him. Now, where did this philosophy go? Ki everybody can change, right? So philosopher says that it's you have to have a dialogue before you get into any of the shifts. And why do you want to rush for the answers? You should arrive at an answer your own self. Why are you seeking an answer from me if you can or you cannot? And so he says that we have to talk, and when you accept yourself as you are, and you know exactly who you are, then only a shift can happen. So now we are going to talk about, are you okay just as you are? Is the question of the next, the paragraph that we are going to start. So, Anshika, are you okay just as you are?
I am learning to be. This is the process we are all going through, I guess. So, yeah, there was time in my life I was very happy with all that I had, all that I was doing, but somehow with every step, few things started to change, and I started to become more conscious about all the things that is not. I
Mm-hmm.
felt like not right in me, like I'm not enough, I'm not good, or all those stories happen, and that's where doubt started to come.
Hmm.
Again, I'm back on the journey of getting,
Shifting ourselves to be
shifting
something better.
yeah, to be something better. Exactly. Yeah.
Let's read. Anshika, why is her camera off today?
Give me 2 minutes, I will be with you guys.
Are you okay just as you are? Philosopher. Okay, let's go back to your query. So you would like to be more upbeat person like Mr. Y, youth. But you just rejected that and said it was out of the question. Well, I guess that's just how it is. I was just saying that to give you a hard time. I know myself well enough. I could never be someone like that. Philosopher. Why not? Youth says it's obvious because we have different personalities, or I guess you could say dispositions. Philosopher. Hmm. Youth says you, for instance, live surrounded by all these books. You read a new book and gain new knowledge. Basically, you keep accumulating knowledge. The more you read, the more your knowledge increases. You find new concepts of value, and it seems to you that they change you. Look, I hate to break it to you, but no matter how much knowledge you gain, your disposition or personality is going to be basically changed. If your base gets skewed, all you have learned will be useless. Yes, all the knowledge you have acquired with some crashing down around you, and then the next thing you know, you will be back to where you started. And the same goes on in Adler's ideas. No matter how many facts I may try to accumulate about him, they are not going to have any effect on my personality. Knowledge just gets piled up as knowledge until sooner or later it's discarded. Philosopher. Then let me ask you this. Why do you think you want to be like Y? I guess you just want to be a different person, whether it's Y or someone else. But what is the goal of that? Youth. You're talking about goals again. As I said earlier, it's just that I admire him and I think he would be happier if I were like him. Philosopher. You think you would be happier if you were like him? Which means that you're not happy right now. Youth. What? Philosopher. Right now, you are unable to feel the real happy. Unable to feel really happy. This is because you have learned to love yourself. But to try to love yourself, you are wishing to be reborn as a different person. You are hoping to be like Y and throw away who you are now. Correct? Youth says, yes, I guess that's right. let's face it, I hate myself. I, the one who is doing this playing around with old fashioned philosophical discourse and who just can't help doing this sort of things. Yes, I really hate myself. Just a minute. All right. I'm sorry. Youth says, yes, I guess that's right. Let's face it. I hate myself. I, only who is doing this play around with old-fashioned philosophical discourse and who just can't help doing this sort of thing. Yes, I really hate myself. Philosopher, that's all right. If you were to ask around for people who say they like themselves, you would be hard pressed to find someone who is puffed up their chest with pride and say, yes, I like myself. Youth, how about you? Do you like yourself? Philosopher, at the very least, I do not think I would like to be a different person and accept who I am. Youth, you accept who you are. Philosopher, look, no matter how much you want to be Y, you cannot be reborn as him. You are not Y. It's okay for you to be you. However, I am not saying it's fine to be just as you are. If you are unable to really feel happy, then it's clear that things aren't right just as they are. You have got to put one foot in front of the other and not stop. Youth, that's a harsh way of putting it, but I get your point. It's clear that I'm not right just the way I am. I have got to move forward. Philosopher, to quote Adler again, the important thing is not what one is born with, but what use one make of that equipment. You want to be Y or someone else because you are utterly focused on what you were born with. Instead, you have got to focus on what you can make of your equipment. This is it. And what did you gauge from this? Isn't this beautiful? Many a times we
Yeah.
feel that we want to be like somebody else. We want to be, I want to be like him, like her. I want to look like them. But we forget to to take care of ourselves as we are and then move into the direction that we wish to move into. We keep beating ourselves to be like them only, but there is a process through which you have to go to be that person as well, right? And to make use of the equipment that we have been already given, जो है उसके साथ कुछ करके हम कुछ बन सकते हैं, not the X, the Y, the Z person, right? Let's hear it from you, Komal.
Same, actually, this book is quite simple in words, not like I mean, self-explanatory. That conversation was good and deep. They were talking about like questioning led to the the thing that you don't need to be someone else, and you can be yourself, and look first upon what you are and then grow on that, uh, yeah, and not be someone else. If I'm liking Karishma at the moment, I don't have to be Karishma.
Wonderful.
Right. So Komal has to be her own version. First
Yes.
topic.
कोमल का
Anshika
फ्लेवर
is
कोमल
Anshika.
का फ्लेवर अपना है. एंड कोमल अगर
Mm.
करिश्मा जैसी बनेगी तो आई डोंट नो हाउ वुड शी.
This really helps because many parents compare. Yeah, many parents compare. Then we also start doing the same thing. Or not to every time bring parents in here, but it is like because they are our first source. Yeah. So वो बच्चा पढ़ रहा है, देखो that child is doing this, that, playing this way, everything. So same way. So very basic concept, but when you read in a book, it is imbibed in us.
यस.
Yeah.
फील्स की हाँ एक्चुअली इसकी भी इस चीज की भी एक्चुअल में इम्पोर्टेंस है. वी डोंट थिंक अबाउट इट. वी जस्ट कीप सेइंग है
Hmm.
ना. हम बड़ा कैजुअली बोल देते हैं ना कि यार मुझे भी
Inspiration.
ऐसा होना है.
Hmm. Exactly. You are also you are saying right. मतलब casually कितने easily use कर देते हैं कि we want to be that person और उसमें क्या use करते हैं inspiration. We all say inspiration, but we take inspiration as a different मतलब ले ऐसे लेते हैं कि उसके जैसा बनना है. Hmm. तो कल ही my like my mother also not in a comparison mode, but बात हो जाती है उसके जैसा फेस है टीवी पे वो ऐसा सेम सिमिलर लग रहा है and then when they would say कि you are on this parent or that parent कॉमन टॉपिक होता है ना इस पेरेंट पे है बच्चा या इस पेरेंट पे है why that also unique so we were discussing that everyone is unique.
लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम अंशिका.
Right. Yeah, so I was thinking of something else, so I will come to that later, addressing this one. For me, like, in NLP, there is a concept you cannot not compare. So we as a human being cannot not compare. Like, we have to understand thing by comparison. So if we say something is dark, like it's night, compared to what? Compared to light, it was day, right? It is lighter or it is heavier compared to what? So we compare, like we cannot talk without comparison. So comparison is basis of our thinking. So comparison cannot go, but we need to have that understanding of not taking everything, only take what is needed for us or what actually, like you want to be like Karishma or I want to be like Karishma, but what exactly in Karishma? The way she talks or the way she smiles. Okay, this is one trait I can pick. I don't have to be exactly like Karishma, but be particular about, okay, with the compassion she reads or the fluency she has in speaking, whatever one or two things we like about her. So we have to, instead of comparing, like I agree, our parents did, like, dekho uska bachcha pad raha hai. They have done it. So instead of, they have said like he is good in this by doing this. If they knew better, they could have done better, but now we know. So instead of now us talking to our kids and saying like, see, that kid is reading well, tell him like what he is doing well by reading well. So that trait, instead of focusing on the entire picture, just tell him what exactly is good, and that behavior they can pick up. So that was NLP part. Now coming back to what I wanted to say. So for me, when you were reading, this was the thought keep on coming in my head. Almost 3-4 years back, I was very heavy, like weight wise, I was very heavy. So I wanted to lose weight. So I went to, like, I tried a lot of things, but somehow nothing was clicking. Like, I'm losing weight, but I'm not enjoying the process. Like, I'm like, this is not sustainable. The moment I will stop it, it will go back to that weight. So all those things was coming on. And one of my coach, I switched many coaches also by the time, like, so that I find a coach who can tell me how to lose weight and stay that way. So he said that to me, like, change not because you hate yourself, change because you love yourself.
Wow.
And that clicked me like anything. For you, like many of the times, like now I'm heavy, I don't like my body, that's why I want to lose weight. Many of the time, like I cannot speak fluently, that's why I'm coming to change myself or fix myself. So that change is more of fixing ourselves, but instead I love myself enough to be a higher potential of
Wonderful
myself, to a better
statement.
potential of myself. And that changed for me. So this is what, when you were
Not
reading that
a
part, being the
not a casual line. This one line can change things, and it's like put on a wall.
Yes.
yeah,
Change,
definitely for me also it
change,
was like that. It's
change
tattooed in my
yourself,
brain.
not because you hate yourself. Change because you love yourself.
You love yourself. Exactly. So yeah, that was coming to me when you were reading Karishma.
Wow, this is amazing. Change not because you hate yourself. Change because you want to maybe love yourself even more. Yes?
Yeah, truly.
Or see, because we love, that's why we work on ourselves, right?
Yes.
That
हाँ
is
जैसे
also
कि
the
कहते
thing.
हैं ना कि acceptance is the first step. सबसे पहले अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट करो द वे यू आर स्टार्ट लविंग योर सेल्फ द वे यू आर वो सेल्फ लव क्या हो रहा है क्या क्या सिखा रहे हैं हम सब सेल्फ लव सेल्फ लव सेल्फ लव दैट लव योर सेल्फ बट लविंग योर सेल्फ डज नॉट मीन दैट यू डू नॉट हैव टू चेंज loving yourself means that you can actually change what is in your control and be an even better version of yourself. And thank you, Anshika, for this line. I've written it in my book itself. Change not because you hate yourself, change because you love yourself.
Hmm.
आगे चलते हैं. Unhappiness is something you choose for yourself. Do you agree? I do. We choose to be happy, we choose to be unhappy as well. You,
Can't say.
no way. That's unreasonable. Philosopher, why is it unreasonable? Youth, why? Some people are born into affluent circumstances with parents who are nice, and others are born poor with bad parents because that's the world, that's how the world is. And I don't really want to get into this sort of subject. But things aren't equal in the world, and differences between races, nationality, ethnicity remains as deep as ever. It's only natural to focus on what you were born with. All your talks is just academic theory. You are ignoring the real world. Philosopher, it is you who is ignoring reality. Does fixating on what you are born with change the reality? We are not replaceable machines. It is not replacement we need, but renewal. You, to me, replacement and renewal are one and the same thing. You are avoiding the main point. Look, there is such a thing as unhappiness from birth. Please acknowledge that, first of all. Philosopher, I will not acknowledge that. Why? Philosopher, for one thing, right now you are unable to feel real happiness. You find living hard and even wish you could be reborn as a different person. But you are unhappy now because you yourself choose being unhappy, not because you were born under an unlucky star. Youth, I choose to be unhappy. How can I possibly accept that? Philosopher, there is nothing extraordinary about it. It's been repeated ever since the classical Greek era. Have you heard the saying, no one desires even? It's a proposition generally known as a Socratic paradox. Youth, there is no shortage of people who desire evil in there. Of course, there are plenty of thieves and murderers, and don't forget all the politicians and officials with their shady deals. It's probably harder to find a truly good, upright person who does not desire evil. Philosopher, without question, there is no shortage of behavior that is evil. But no one, not even the most hardened criminal, becomes involved in crime purely out of the desire to engage in evil acts. Every criminal has an internal justification for getting involved in a crime. A dispute over money leads everyone to engage in murder, for instance. To the perpetrator, it is something for which there is a justification and which can be restated as an accomplishment of good. Of course, there is not good in a moral sense, but good in the sense of being of benefit to oneself. Youth, of benefit to oneself? Philosopher. The Greek word for good, agathon, does not have the moral meaning. It just means beneficial. Conversely, the word for evil, kakon, means not beneficial. Okay. Our world is rife of in with injustice and misdeeds of all kinds. Yet there is not one person who desires evil in the purest sense of the word. That is to say, something not beneficial. Youth, what does this have to do with me? Philosopher, at some stage in your life, you choose being unhappy. It is not because you were born into unhappy circumstances or ended up in an unhappy situation. It's that you judged being unhappy to be good for you. Youth, why? What for? Philosopher, how do you justify this? Why did you choose to be unhappy? I have no way of knowing the specific answer or details. Perhaps it will become clearer as we debate this. Youth, you are really trying to make a fool of me? You think this passes for philosophy? I do not accept this at all. In spite of himself, in spite of himself, the young man got up and glared at the philosopher. I choose to be, I choose an unhappy life because it was good for me. What an absurd argument. Why is he going to such lengths to ridicule me? What did I do wrong? I will dismantle his argument no matter what it takes. I will make him kneel before me. The young man's face flushed with excitement. Sorry. All right. What's your take on this, girls? क्या लगता है? और तो मुझे लगता है कि हम लोगों को पता तो है ये फिलोसफर तो ठीक ही बोल रहा है. You know, by this time we have understood कि 28 30th पेज, we are on the page 30th. 250 पेज की बुक है. 30th पेज तक हमारे को ये पता है कि जो फिलोसफर बोल रहा है वो तो ठीक ही बोल रहा है. यूथ कुछ गलत ही बोल रहा है. बट द रियलिटी इज ऑल्सो देयर दैट देयर आर टाइम्स हम लोग अगर इस जर्नी पे शायद ना होते तो वी वुड ऑल्सो आस्क सच क्वेश्चंस, यू नो. मैं क्यों चूज करूंगी? व्हाई डू आई वांट टू बी अनहैप्पी? मैं पागल हूं क्या? एवरीबody wants to be happy.
True.
Why would I choose to be
Yeah,
unhappy? Right?
true. I still ask. I still ask. I will still ask, even if you are saying on a journey or what anything. Yeah, why will I choose to be unhappy?
Yes.
I'm just pondering upon it still. If sometimes I'm unhappy, am I choosing it to be? I think those are phases, but we cannot say universally. No, nobody will be happy or unhappy now. It would be phases. We all go through phases of happiness and not happiness, not happiness, sadness. So the thing is, yeah, law of attractions, you know, not happiness. Law of attraction, not is not heard, na? So I'm not even using the word sad. So much affected by this law of attraction thing. Okay, so coming to the point is, yeah, I'm pondering upon why will I choose to be unhappy? See, the whatever youth was saying in the starting, even I had such questions, or even I'll have such questions. Everybody, that why when you're born in some situations with lack, with poverty, with health, not healthy body, right? This is diseases. Those things are now we living in India. What we say about karma, but here we are not in the book. They are not talking about karma. So how is that? When
I have
person
a
is
very
born,
beautiful example for it.
yeah,
That is, have you seen जो मजदूर होते हैं वो प्याज से रोटी खाकर भी बहुत खुश होते हैं, नमक डाल के उस पे खा रहे होते हैं, दे आर
yeah,
वेरी हैप्पी, दे आर हेल्दी, दे हैव नो
true,
हेल्थ इश्यूज। वो सारा दिन
yes.
बिल्डिंग तोड़ रहे हैं, ईंट तोड़ रहे हैं, फिर
Even
बिल्डिंग।
even I'll add on this. Even I'll add on this. Most of the depression is in upper class. They don't have depression.
And
Upper or
I'm like,
upper,
कैसे मजे ले
They
ले।
don't have time for be depressed, you know. They don't
yeah,
have
we
time.
are we
Like
are saying
खाएंगे क्या
about
अगर
two
डिप्रेस हो
classes.
जाएंगे तो?
इतना
We are
फालतू
saying about two classes. Lower income, then lower middle, even upper middle and upper. That is obviously we cannot categorize too much, but I'm saying those with full income, they don't like that generation is getting into this thing, mind thing. So suffering by mind different confusions, chaos. Even I'm going through at times. So when I'm not too puzzled, what is happening? So yeah, when we look into, they will, their children will have totally unka mind that is different. But these days, which anything, yeah, panic attack, depression, anxiety. So we have not heard less of. We don't know. Obviously, they may be many people. We don't know how much numbers are not known. But yes, ऐसा लगता है. That is our view. Maybe in upper it can be more. Thinking about it. Yeah, not. We have to just check about it. Yeah,
I
like
feel
Anshika is saying, and you are agreeing that they don't have time for such. I think um, are for me, what I've seen is comparisons, competition.
हम लोग, हाँ एग्जैक्टली हम लोग हम चूज कर रहे हैं ना। अगर हम सोच लें कि हम सब सिर्फ इंसान हैं, इट डजेंट मैटर कौन रिच कौन पुअर, कौन सुंदर नहीं। डू यू विल आर यू गोइंग टू कंपेयर योरसेल्फ विद समबडी एल्स?
That needs wisdom. वो हम भूल चुके हैं. मतलब, that needs wisdom. जो पहले maybe सबके पास था. Now even lower because of the influence of online or everything. Even more of such कि मेरे पास तो वो कपड़ा नहीं है, which that person is wearing. I don't have such clothes. Even they may feel, but उनको strong, they
See,
become
this is
strong
a
by.
choice.
चॉइस है ना।
Yeah, I totally agree, but it's a choice. See, I have a choice to keep away my phone and not indulge in phone. Like I have that much awareness. Like when I'm seeing somebody going on vacation or having something that I don't have and then I want, and instead of comparing, I know what I can do. I can keep my phone away and start working on what means to me. Right? So that's a choice we are making. फोन रखना है कि
कंपैरिजन तो
उसमें
पक्का
एंगेज होना है.
100% हमारी चॉइस है।
But
कंपैरिजन इज
how much away can even I'm not watching. I don't have any those apps. Instagram. I don't
See,
even have
it's a
Instagram
constant
open.
process of going it. So for me, this works. Like I heard Alex Hermosi, like he's one of the entrepreneur, very big famous name. So he says in a poem, but I will give you the gist. So he says, I am a monkey jumping on a rock, and like he has a story of like in a huge universe. So if you see your presence in the huge cosmos, how big are we? Like we are not even a speck, right? We are this tiny for this big earth, and then even tinier for the entire solar system, even tinier for the like our galaxy and the like universe. We are nowhere. And it's not even like I was reading a fact, and if earth, imagine the time the earth originated, like came in existence, earth, not the universe, earth, and that is 24 hours, right? So 24 hours is the time since the we are scaling down the time, like for that many billion years we are scaling down to 24 hours. We are still 12 minutes. We just have experienced earth's 12 minute. So how small is our existence on the earth then, right? So just remember this, just magnify your presence, like you know, universe, and you will get to know हम इतने छोटे हैं कि कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, हमारा existence बस आए और चले गए.
यस।
So doesn't matter. So this is Gita wala part.
But see, this
But yeah,
is
we have to keep reminding on ourselves.
Only if
And
you
comparison
know such
happens.
things. Only if you know such things. You
I
means
was not
anyone.
born with this. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
that
was
only
not
I'm saying.
born, but till the time it is not bothering, nobody looks for it. जब तक कि वो
But you
परेशान नहीं कर रहा
come,
था.
right?
As you were saying, I am diagnosed, like clinically diagnosed depressed person. And when you were talking about depression, I am like, yes, मेरी कहानी चल रही है. Yes, मेरी कहानी चल रही है. Why? I have everything. I have a very supportive husband. My daughter is good. My health is good. I have like good home. I live in like, like everything. But still, and the reason I understood is what I am expecting from life and what happening around me is not matching. That my
That
internal
only
and
I'm saying.
external are not matching. That's
Yeah.
where I started to seek answer.
Hmm.
And to give a reframe is a story I'm telling. Okay, I'm no matter. I'm a very insignificant. So this is what I picked up. And again, this is a choice I am making. I
Yes.
can make a
Yeah.
choice of staying in depression and eating my medicine, like,
Issue.
and I can
Thing
be
is,
like numb and dumb,
thing is, when
right?
you are in such situations, our perspective narrows down. When we face those things, even I've gone through, let it be. So we have our journey, right? When we are even I don't know it's still there or not, because I have not diagnosed. I don't even go for diagnosis. I say they will label so many things. For me the thing is
Exactly.
yeah, because if I go, they will label. They have labeled. They label you. So I don't want to be labeled. So I love to be around these book reading
Yeah, so
thing.
you're making a choice, right?
Yeah, I make a choice, and this has been like
You're
10 years
making a
back.
choice.
It started 10 years back, 2014. I had a severe OCD, right? Hand washing, one soap. Okay, I'm not sure. Yeah, recording things, so it's okay. Yeah, so it was there. Okay, that was 1 year. So it got milder. Then now people say
Mm,
don't even name it, because
Hmm.
if I name it, I acknowledge those symptoms and I start
Hmm.
wondering and picking those symptoms. Now also I was just playing and putting my um, that dal, okay, lentil in all the blocks. I had put in three just for fun. Then I put a picture to Delna ma'am and said, "Ma'am, my inner child is playing." I had made it easy. See, I was alone and I had to put that block wala plate. Okay,
Hmm.
so I had put in all the five. I had put in all the five.
And then you were segregating them. चलो ये चना है ये राजमा है ये चने की दाल है
No,
ये
no,
Hmm.
the same
the
thing
cook
in
dal,
five.
Hmm.
same in five.
ओले
Same thing.
That's fun. But see, this is what the beauty is. Like, I'm really loving the
Karishma,
way you're saying it,
Karishma, you are
not
saying
labeling
you
it.
are thinking about different everybody foods, different vegetables we all put. But yeah, that can be also if necessary to put. It can be empty. But my mind is always organizing things.
Hmm.
It wants order maybe in life. It wants to be orderly, not everything. They
Hmm.
when people have OCD, they can have a messy blanket in front of them, but something they want to be orderly.
Yes.
It's not that they can bring order in everything. So okay, we'll get back to the thing that we were talking about. Yeah, panic also I used to have at time. Now most of the things are past, but some may be remaining, which I don't even know which are there, because I love to that accept myself, acknowledge myself, and yeah, take it as a whole. Okay, so what we were talking, I've just lost the
So we have a
context.
choice to be
Yeah,
happy. We
unhappiness
have
is a
Yeah,
choice.
yeah, unhappy. So yeah, so the situations we were discussing now. So it's still a good question. I'll have to ponder upon this. That do I make a choice, because I resent and situations many times.
maybe
Uh,
your question will be answered through the next few pages,
it
and
can be
we shall.
same question with the youth is asking parents. I still carry resentments
Mhm.
today. It is still playing. My minor child, or like I have to forgive. I don't know my dad, and I start competing like small kids. and we would fight like two siblings today or yesterday, or this thing is happening. So then I would go to mom. My mother is a saver, but she wouldn't come for help. And it's like kids. Father also does the same with my niece also. So his inner being is also always competing. And we would, I want love from him, he wants love from me. So that is a something game is going on.
Hmm.
So who will give first that game? Respect and love. So, and when we would start communication, something wrong that would happen, can happen sometimes. So yeah, so that is the thing only.
Let's
So
see.
here,
आगे जाके
but
पता
I
चलेगा।
just remember, but I just remember one day when I read or heard something from YouTube, that you choose to be happy, right? From that day, it's like strike me so hard that I started living happy, I would say. That happened 6 years back.
Problem is we can choose to be happy. Okay,
Huh.
even if you do not agree with the fact that you are choosing to be unhappy, you can at least choose
Yeah.
to be happy.
Yes, this thing had happened. मतलब ऐसा था कि एक वीडियो आता है, monk was speaking. Monk was saying, so it was just like कई बार होता है ना कि mom would say we wouldn't take it.
Hmm.
Someone would say we wouldn't take it. It is when we are ready. I
Yes.
was so ready that 2-3 years just went, or very in happy state.
Hmm.
It affected me that much that I had important events coming up. So
Mhm.
I started living happy. That's it.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, Anshika, do you have anything to share?
Nothing much. I think most of is covered, but yeah, again, I would say happiness and unhappiness. And I'm not sure if the book is going in that direction. He haven't talked about subconscious or those things yet. So if that is a reason, like many of the time, our consciously we are not choosing to be unhappy, but our subconscious knows only by giving you unhappiness is the way you will be fulfilling that need. So the other day I was reading a book, I think, or something like, so in that he gave a scenario, like there is a little boy who has eczema on his skin, like lot of itchiness and everything. And he had a need, like he asked his mom, like when they did all the process and they got to know, like he wanted his mom, like as a baby his mom used to massage him, but now that he's grown boy, his mom is not doing anymore, and he asked many times his mom, like, can you massage me, can you massage me? And mom said, no, you're a big boy now, we don't need to massage you. And he had that need of that touch, that love from mom in that certain way, so he
Mhm.
manifested in a way. So he is choosing subconsciously the unhappiness so that he has that rashes, so that mom gives him that attention. So
Thanks.
this is more of like Louis Hay and those kind of people talking. I'm not sure if this book talks about that.
Hmm.
But yeah, this came to me like subconsciously
Here
our
also,
subconscious gives us.
yeah, here also I
Yeah.
resonate that I also ask for that kind of love or something from my mother, which I in my like small Komal would have asked.
Hmm.
Small, so
Yeah,
with
we do
like a
that.
we do that. So same
I
thing.
remember
And
for a very long time when I just came to US, my husband was the only person, like only human I knew. So my way of getting attention was gussa ho jao. So for no reason, I used to get angry. So that was for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and that started to become my nature. So every time something happens, and now I'm struggling with anger issues. So
Hmm.
that is now a manifestation. I was never a that angry person, but I am like practicing my body, making my body to practice again and again, like गुस्सा हो जाओ, गुस्सा हो जाओ, गुस्सा हो जाओ. So पहले गुस्सा नहीं आता था, पर अब वो गुस्सा आने लगा. So we are teaching our body that when again this is a choice I am making not to गुस्सा करो anymore. So yeah, thank you, Komal. And yeah, so let's see if the book taps into subconscious
same for
or we just
I
go.
also go through anger and fear, both the emotions, a lot. So
They are
can
two
hear,
spectrum. They are part of two spectrum.
yes,
It's nice.
fear and anger complementary
Again,
to each
we
other.
will be continuing this tomorrow. What we are going to read next is people always choose not to change, जिसकी वजह से I think that unhappiness also arrives. And your life is decided here and now. It's something that we are going to read maybe tomorrow. And then we will go to the second night. All right. Thank you, girls, for being here, sharing your perspectives, and take care. Good night. Have a wonderful day, Anshika, and thank you for joining in. Good night, Komal. Hope you
Thank
get up
you. Good
early.
night, guys.
Thank
Bye.
you. Good night.
Good night. Bye bye.
Yes, lovely discussions.
Thank you.